بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, respected parents. And my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your science class. Let's start our studies. Okay, students, first of all, we will recall what we have studied in our previous lecture. Can anybody tell me? Yes? Okay, I will ask questions from you. Okay, students, how many living things are there? Excellent, there are 3 living things: human beings, plants, and animals. They are living things. And what do living things need, students? Very nice. Living things need air to breathe. Air to breathe. And they need food and water to stay alive. Very good. Living things need food and water to stay alive and to grow. And to grow. Very good, students. And I have also received your homeworks in which you have circled the living things. These all are living things, and there are so many living things in this picture. This was our previous lecture. Now moving towards our new topic. So students, hurry up, all of you open page 4. Very good. This is page 4. Okay, students? Students, hold your pencils in your hands and start reading with me. Growing up. Growing up. Growing up. Only living things grow. Only living things grow. A baby girl grows up to be a woman. A baby girl grows up to be a woman. A baby boy grows up to be a man. A baby boy grows up to be a man. Students, do you know what is the meaning of growing up? Yes, we have studied in the previous lecture that living things grow. सारे living things grow करते हैं. What is the meaning of growing up? Growing up means बड़े होना. बड़े होना. Only living things grow. Students, only living things grow. सिर्फ living things grow करते हैं. ठीक है? A baby girl, एक छोटी baby girl grows up to be a woman. जब वो बड़ी होती है तो वो एक woman बनती है. A baby boy, एक छोटा boy, छोटा लड़का जब grow करता है तो he grows up to be a man. वो बड़ा होके एक आदमी बनता है. As you can see in this picture, this baby girl will grow up to be a woman like her. And this boy will grow up to be a man. जब ये बच्चा बड़ा होगा तो ये एक आदमी बनेगा. ठीक है? So growing up means बड़ा होना. And only living things grow. Okay, students, now all of you come on page 5. Hurry up. Now come on page 5. Students, on page 5 it is written that plants and animals also grow. Plants and animals also grow. Tiny plants grow into large plants or trees. Tiny plants grow into large plants or trees. Baby animals grow and become adult animals. Baby animals grow and become adult animals. Let's read again, students. Are you reading with me? Very good. Plants and animals also grow. Tiny plants grow into large plants or trees. Baby animals grow and become adult animals. It is written here, students, that plants and animals also grow. जितने भी plants हैं and animals हैं वो भी grow करते हैं, वो भी बड़े होते हैं. Tiny plants grow into large plants or trees. Tiny plants आपने देखे होंगे, जब छोटे छोटे से plants होते हैं तो जब आप उनको वाटर देते हैं और उनको फूड देते हैं तो वो ग्रो करते हैं लार्ज प्लांट्स में, वो बड़े प्लांट्स बन जाते हैं और ट्रीज बन जाते हैं, बड़े बड़े ट्रीज बन जाते हैं. एक छोटा सा सीड होता है, जब आप उसको ज़मीन में डालते हैं तो वो ग्रो करता है एंड दैट सीड ग्रोज इनटू लार्ज प्लांट्स और ट्रीज. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एंड देन baby animals. Have you ever seen baby animals? Baby animals grow and become adult animals. छोटे छोटे से जो बेबी एनिमल्स होते हैं वो ग्रो करते हैं, बड़े होते हैं और बड़े होके वो एडल्ट एनिमल्स बन जाते हैं. As you can see, this is a baby animal and this baby animal will become an adult animal. ये छोटा सा भी एनिमल है, जब ये ग्रो करेगा तो ये एक बड़ा एनिमल बन जाएगा. And students, do you know that this baby cow is known as calf? This is calf and this is cow. This calf grows into a cow. This is a baby cow which is known as calf, and then when she will become adult animal, she will become a cow. And there are so many other baby animals. As you can see, students, this is a dog, this is a dog, and this is puppy. This is baby dog, and when he will grow up into a dog. And what is this, students? This is a cute little kitten. And when this kitten will grow up, she will become a cat. Right now, she is a kitten. And these are the baby birds. These are the baby parrots. And when they will grow, students, they will become bigger parrots. They will become adult parrots. Do you know the names of these parrots? These are the Australian parrots. So students, we have studied today that animals and plants also grow, and tiny animals grow into large plants or trees. Baby animals grow and become adult animals. Okay students, now this is your homework time. So students, this is your homework, and what you have to do, you have to read topic growing up on page 4 and 5 and share your video in WhatsApp group. Okay students, this is page 4 and from here the topic growing up is starting. You have to read this whole paragraph and then you have to read these lines. Okay students, and then share your video in WhatsApp group. I hope you have enjoyed today's class students. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Allah Hafiz students.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.